Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor. And today I wanted to share some tips on things you can do for self-care. And I specifically wanted to focus on self-massage today. And we'll focus on self-massage of the upper body, specifically the forearms and hands and the shoulders. It can be really helpful if you have a lot of tension in the shoulders, if you have a desk job or you're using your hands a lot. So the forearms, the shoulders, the wrists and hands can get really tight. We can have pain, discomfort, different things going on because of that. So one way that we can take care of ourselves is to do self-massage. So I recommend that patients do this in their downtime. So most people will sit down and watch a little bit of TV or read or do something to wind down at the end of the day. You can add this into that activity and you can just do this for about 10 to 15 minutes every single day to kind of work on getting that tissue to move better, getting better blood flow to the area, and just helping you to relax and feel better overall. So for the forearms, I typically recommend using some sort of massage ball. I have a spiky massage ball. You can use one like that. You can use a tennis ball. You can use a cross ball, basically anything you have, and just kind of relaxing that arm on your belly or your lap and just making little circles and getting into that kind of fleshy part of the forearm and just making little circles. You don't have to put a lot of pressure. You don't need to be white knuckling it. Just some pressure and nice circles until the skin in the area gets really nice and red, which indicates that we have good blood flow. So we can do this here on the inner part of the forearm. We can do it on the shoulder. We can do it into the hand and wrist as well, wherever you are needing a little bit more blood flow, wanting to decrease tension, or might be having some discomfort. Hopefully you found that helpful. Thanks for listening. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor.